booty bitch, I know who paid for it. Yeah, big booty bitch, I know who paid for it. You ride the Audemars Brigade, you ain't on no sad shit. If you say your grace, I get your ass licked. Yeah, dive in and drop out a roll. Stay with you, how I'm supposed. When I'm racking jug, gotta close. Oh yeah, peanut butter guts when inside. You going for a bite up the herb batches. Molly can't wait like a Mentos. I don't do credit. I don't do credit. Shut up and shine my necklace. Playing with the blocks like Tetris. Over 150 my dentures. All you time ties with all your women. Keep your dog strapped down and reckless. All the mob bust down and the speckless. No complaining that they calling me the bestest. Pussy cut bust down broke necklace. I ain't telling no reason to disguise it. I done seen it, I turn my eyes. Tell your main hoe 1,000 lies. Told my main hoe the truth, that's on slime. I'm a Leo, I got 9 lives. Blinded hunters when we come for your life. If you won't see me succeed, gotta tell me everything that I need. Like a mess told the guy how to read. Like a dirty, but I'm having cheese. I got a bitch in Belize. Might be pregnant and this ain't a tease. I was telling my slime not to leave. Too much money to be in the streets, yeah.
Too much money to be in the streets. Too much money to spend all on me. Too much shade and none enough love. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Back on road, go, get in that mode. Shit that they been on, low vibration, no. I'm on vibranium, cars, they titanium. You know we is alien, landing so by stadium. I feel like Hussein or something, I've been on a crazy run. If you got the cake and buns, you gon' have to save me some. This one here for YSL, I ain't talking Saint Laurent. Two ahead, we way up front. Throw my name, I play too much. Been this way, I'm way too up. Too much money to be in the streets, too much money to spend all on me. Too much shade and none enough love. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Free Larry, free Young Thug. Too much money to be in the streets, too much money to spend all on me. Too much shade and none enough love. Free Larry, free Young Thug. While we at it, free Meech. I'm the owner of this shit, not a lease. I go ghost and I get out of reach, cause I gotta protect my peace. They say to trust the process, but all I trust is me. Cause all I trust is I gotta go tell him I said God bless. Holy water, take me to the river. Holy Father, forgive me for my sins. Holy water, holy water, holy water. Free all my friends, protect my sons, protect my daughters. Take me to your river. Bitch, they 10. One-on-one, never again. One get the kick in the butter, I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk, you can hear. Hearing all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W, do for a win. Fucking this bitch in the orgy, I'm having this snow bunny, pull up her legs. Fight for my dummy, you don't see how I'm coming, don't tip me, I'm right on the edge. Guinness is young and I been had to shoot out some money all under my bed. 2018 came a million, I made it career, niggas thought it'd be dead. I getting cold, my body cold, I took a little X. I hit her one time, told her pull up again, making a little pussy stretch. Give me some head in the back of the band, grip in the back of her neck. I wanna put mirror 10 on the tent, I wanna see the reflection. I'm the best dressed at the Met. The web in her dress, I know how to dress. Turn the drill to a flex. They stick at the check, I poke out my chest. I'm treating that little boy like my pets. I let the bitch use me for sex. I know they young wanna catch. Got one-on-one ice on the jet. One-on-one bitch, they 10. One-on-one, never again. One get the cake in the butter, I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk, you can hear. Hearing all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W, do for a win. One-on-one missing it up, one-on-one missing it in. One-on-one messing with kid. One-on-one bitch. Come to the spot, I got one-on-one pieces and all of them cost me a grip. Come to the US, a pretty hoe ready to go in the pro with her lips. Good service, I'm ready to tip. You knowin' I'm hip, I don't got a trip. You know I ain't no little bit of shrimp. We switching position, we switching locations. I'm fucking this bitch in the gym. She said she don't wanna say Gunna no more, and she bout to start calling me him. I'm him. I need you making it hot. The stakes is high, the prices is high. I'm about to fly to Dubai. I'm gone. Horse and boo, HB on the tie. I with the one-on-one ride. Ain't cuff in the bill, let her slide. I come and I come to get mine. Pop out on these be like surprise. One-on-one bitch at 18. One-on-one never again. When get the kick in the butter, I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W due for a win.
I'm not in a mood, cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang and my DJ paid. Why is my man talking about inshallah? These times he don't even pray. Why is my man wearing a Jesus piece? How did she squeeze in them jeans? Big behind and petitest waist. Take time with the GBG, we don't beef nobody like GBK. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young boy, I won't lead him straight. I'm stuck to little bro like PVA. Paid already, I don't need no hit song. We don't need ID, little bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling TikTok. F's just saw him, I'll thick one. Which one? Who do you want, bro? Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off. Alright, we could go ban for ban.
Fuck that, we can go M for M.
Quarter mil for the Maybach truck.
Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90, the years, the versions, the bribes, I'm really a threat.
It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear.
Bro, I do it for some shoes and some clothes, you'll see what it'll do for a necklace. Right trail look like a spider, it's crawling $1 on just the accessories. Damn. She made me wanna go harder, I like a whole aura, I think I'm obsessed with her. They hit him up on his birthday, did him the worst way, he had a death wish. I get right under their skin, I don't even try, I guess I can't help this shit. I'ma have love for bro, for life, we talk or not, I step with it. Of course you could beat me at talking, ain't no back and forth, wait till we catch up with them niggas. Knocking a bag and making the opposite mad, I done fell in love with it. You can't sell fish with a cute one, bank account look good, it's a new one. You the type like the type on computers, got a mask but he ain't no shooter. Top 10 but she don't act bougie, me and your friends, you can go to Aruba. Hit friends, it depend on my mood, Maybach van, this ain't no Uber.
We could go ban for ban.
Fuck that, we can go M for M. Mama got a body like Kim and them. Mama been killing that gym. We can go watch from chain to chain, the rings, I'm him. I done got rich, but I'm still with this shit, land in London and go to the ends.
We could go ban for ban.
Fuck that, we can go M for M.
Quarter mil for the Maybach truck.
Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90, the years, the versions, the bribes, I'm really a threat.
It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear.
Monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck him up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 I think that open circle be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretend.
Yo, 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 yo. What's good, chat? How we doing, fam?
Doing good, man, you?
All good, all good, all good. Get this shit. Alright. Damn, it's been a while, man. I feel rusty. God damn, bro. Didn't even warm up. Oh, let me change music. Alright, boys. Alright, boys. Wait, hold on. First and foremost, let me check if there's news. We don't get fucked over here. News, any news, any news? No news. Perfect. Perfect. Pure price action here, chat. I hope. It better be pure price action. But yeah, let's see here. Do my analysis. Let's start off on the daily. Or should we wait a bit? Let me wait a bit. Let me wait until some people pull up. Because you guys are late. You guys are always late. So I gotta wait for some people to pull up first. HT in the chat. What's good? What's good, Kenty in the chat? Patriot as always. Rakesh is in the chat. We got Moiber. We got Joshua. Morpheus is here. Frankie is here. Kay is here. The Mandem is here, fam. Mandem is here, fam. When was the last time I streamed? Last time I streamed was, I think it was last week on Friday. No, was it Friday? I think it was Friday. I think it was last week Friday I streamed. Right? Or am I tripping balls? Let me see here. Last stream was... Yeah, Friday. Friday was my last stream. Then all my streams are getting copyright strike, chat. Look at these. Look at this. All my streams have, you see this yellow triangle? The warning sign, all of my streams have that. Oh,
bro,
man.
just start streaming on Kick.
Nah, man. I would stream on Kick, but I'd lose all my viewers, man.
No, of course. YouTube for the long run, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta keep it family friendly, chat. This is not SA Zoom calls, alright? Everybody chill the fuck out. No out of pocket shit here. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. Let's just get into this analysis. So, okay. Start off on the daily. Daily consolidation. Okay, so daily is consolidating. We just flipped on the daily. Interesting. Let me see the 4 hour. Ooh, okay. Holy shit, we're pushing. Didn't even realize. Yeah, we're pushing like crazy here, chat. But yeah, daily just flipped, chat. Daily just flipped means that we're gonna probably make a pretty hefty top pick on the daily. Now let's see. We do have a retest on the daily right here, or this area seems to be a pretty strong rejection area. Right there, I'd say. So daily should technically tap into this area. That would also be the retest to come further down, right? You did now close below the most recent. I mean, you are consolidating because you broke the highs and then you broke the lows. Now I don't know what the fuck this candle was. Really weird daily candle. It was Friday. Really weird daily candle. Just straight pushed down like a fucking. Is that 1,000 pips? Yeah, 1,000 fucking pips, chat. Yeah, you just pushed down like 1,000 pips. Yeah, that shit was insane. So the daily does look good to come up until around 2026 areas, 25 areas. Again, that's a long shot, and we're going to be able to catch positions before that, right? Because it's not going to go straight up. It's going to go up, come down, go up, come down. But then eventually you're going to tap this area. And when you tap this area, you'll likely see a rejection down. Continue. bearish trend, because again, like I said, guys, early summer you're gonna see a bearish gold price action, and then late summer you're gonna see bullish price action back again. But yeah, you also have a big imbalance to fill to the downside. You have pushed up so much and you're so overextended on the daily. You do have this whole move that needs to probably get compensated for sooner or later. And if there's a time to do that, it's probably gonna be early summer or within the next couple of weeks. It says gold goes bullish because of tensions with Russia and the USA. Of course. Now I don't know how serious the tensions are, but if the tensions are like if it's real, if shit gets real, obviously gold is gonna push. Like that's gonna be the case. Most people, they buy now and they just hold and wait for shit to pop off, because inevitably shit is gonna pop off with Russia and US. But yeah, I think they're gonna chill a little bit for now. I don't really think gold is gonna push up that much. I don't think we're in danger for gold to just start ripping or any war, to be honest. So yeah, that's not really a problem. Yeah, other than that, nothing else to say really. It's just push up to around 2330 and then push down. That's my analysis on the daily at least. I do see a continuation to the downside. Like I said, I still believe we're bearish within the next couple of weeks. Now, if we break past here, then obviously we're gonna push up. But you need the daily to close above. If the daily closes above 2340, meaning the daily closes above right here, then you should be good to drive up all the way and test the highs at maybe 2,400s again. But until you drive and close above 2,340, you're good on the daily to come down, because this is just going to be a retest. Past history also indicates that happens. Last time you were in these areas, you also rejected here pretty heavily, twice even. Once here and then once here. You rejected for like a, what is this, like a 240 pips. So yeah, pretty easy rejection zone here, Chad. We're gonna look for sells right there if we come up, but I don't think we're gonna get it today, because there's like 150 pips there, right? Yeah, at least 150 pips to get there. So we're gonna look for smaller sells, but that's the daily zone at least. It looks like the 4-hour zone at least as well. We're gonna leave that there for now. Is that a decision area? Yeah, that's gonna be the sells, chat. The sells gonna be at 28. Those are gonna be the sells, chat. Right there. Historically, that's the sell area from whenever you come from, around 2290 areas. Yeah, that's an easy sell right there, chat, at 29. It's in the lower time frames. Do a range around here. Yeah, should you break this line, chat, or should you break this zone, it's going to be a pretty heavy push up to 29, and then we're going to take sells from there. Buys above here. And sells from around 29. Let's see. This is a pretty clean range here, chat. Honestly. Very clean range. It's gonna be a safety zone. So we got a 30 closure in 8 minutes. We might get a trade, chat. If we close above here and get a bottom wick, we're gonna enter this trade. How do you decide a good trade? If it's a part of the playbook. If it's a part of my playbook, I take it. If it's not, I don't take it. It's literally that simple. What is the clean range? How do you decide that? Clean range means there's usually it fills that range. I've explained this in a video where I talk about support and resistance and how I draw my ranges. And it basically means just if it fills the range with no real issue, right? It just free fall. So that's clean range. Clean range is with no real disturbances on its way to fill the range. It's just a clean fill. And usually, for example, this range right here gets filled pretty clean. You see whenever you close above? Like, close above, fill the range pretty clearly. Close above, fill the range. Here you didn't quite fill it, but you have a, that's why we have a safety line right here. You can play around that as well. But here you also didn't come from where you came from now. Now you came from much lower, so you came from 22 or 2290s. Last time you came from 2290s was right here. And when you close below after coming from 2290s, you fill the range straight up. Yeah. Very simple, chat. Just historical price action. History repeats itself. We're gonna predict the future. Study history, chat. That's not just in real life. That's on the charts as well. Yeah, chat, that's pretty much the analysis. Nothing too crazy, just looking for sells at 29 because that's a decision area. It's also a pretty common area of rejection whenever you come from around 2290 areas. Or we'll look for buys above 2313.5 because that's a clean range to the upside to fill at least to 2320 and then potentially up even to our sells. Yeah, that's what we're gonna look for. Just buys, chat, just buys and sells. I don't want to check sells until we tap 2329 because I think that's a decision area that needs to get tapped. I think price is getting pulled towards that area before making a decision. So either we'll come and tap this area and drive up, retest, and then we'll look for buys at the retest, or we'll just reject heavy here. But whatever we do have to tap 29 first. Otherwise for sells, I mean, let's see here. Yeah, what the fuck is this? Weird ass price action. That's not right. Maybe this is better. Yeah, this whole area in general is iffy, chat. This whole area in general is pretty tough. Like this whole area right here is disgusting. So I'd want to take sells below here. Yep, I guess that's it, chat. These are my areas, these are my levels, these are my positions that we're going to look for. So buys above here, we're going to probably get it now. So buys above here up until around 2320 or 2329 if we're lucky. Excuse me. So buys up until 2320 or 2329 if we close above 2313.9, or we'll look for sells below 2301. But we're gonna have a no trade zone right here between 2313 and 2301. This is no trade zone. We don't touch this range. We stay a long way from it. We don't want to deal with this range because it's choppy. You reject at different places. There's no clear direction. So yeah, either that or just buys or just sells at 29 as well. So yeah, chat. Simple as that. Let's see now, chat. We have New York open in 1 hour. We're at 30 closure in 1 minute. 30 can see a good retest down to around 2012. We can look for buys up. Salam alaikum, Bard. Alaikum salam, bro. Let's see now. Yeah, let's see now, bro. Let's see. I get a position here, chat. If we got no wick play to the upside. Did see London create a high for the week, then maybe drive down during New York? Yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure. I'm not sure we're really gonna drive down until we tap 29. I think we're pretty bullish at the moment. That is a closure above, chat. That is a closure above, and that should fill the range up to 20. Now we didn't get a no-wick play, which is unfortunate, but oh, never mind. Yeah, this should fill the range up. I don't see it's rejecting right here. Now we have to wait for the hourly, but yeah. What we do? I don't know, bro. It's up to you. I wouldn't. But it's up to you. I could be wrong, right? This could create a bottom wick and you guys could get out of bottom wick. Because again, you close above, but you can still retest. You could still retest down to 2312, which would be my buys, but yeah, I still see this range getting filled up to around 20. I mean, you guys... This has a very small bottom wick though, so it could potentially flip, but with this bullish pressure, I'd be careful to excel your chat. Because there's bullish pressure, you're going against the trend, you're trying to catch a hot air balloon. Yeah, it's really looking to take out some liquidity at 29. It's really looking for that liquidity, chat. Buy it in this area right here. Let's see now. You have a 5-minute closure. 5 is closing. I mean, if you don't reject 17, then 20 is the next area. So 17 could be a place of rejection as well. Because you did reject it sometimes at 17, but not when you came from as far down as you come from now. Yeah. Again, our cells will be at 29, or stream cells will be at 29. No lower than that. 29 or above if we get a bottom wick on the 1 hour. Get a bottom wick on the 1 hour. We can look for buys. I mean, buy from 23.06, set TP to 23.22. Do you think I need to close? Well, you said 23.06, 23.06. No, I think you're good. I think you're good. I think you're good at 22. I would set TP to 20, but I think you're good at to 22 as well. No worries. Because even if you pull back on the 1 hour, like, don't be scared. You know, you need to be control your emotions, have diamond hands, because this will likely pull back because the 1 hour has a probably or very small bottom wick, and it's very overextended. So you'll probably see a pullback on the 1 hour. After that, you'll see a bottom wick, and then you'll see a push up and wick fill, break of the wick up. That's what probably will happen. Like, most likely, price action says that you will pull back on the 1 hour, close with a big bottom wick, but above the range. Next 1 hour will make a bottom wick and then flip and fill the wick up, and also tap the decision area at 25 to 29. Get sell area from 23.20. I mean, yeah, if you look at these wicks, yes, you could say you will get a sell area from 23.20, and this area wicks. I'm thinking you're probably looking at these wicks right here. But again, these you guys gotta remember that whenever you rejected here, you see, whenever you rejected these areas, where did you come from? You came from these areas. But now you didn't come from these areas. You came from these areas, right? So you came even lower down. So you have to match it. You have to look. Okay, so when did you come from those areas? So let's see here. Okay, we don't have any data. Okay, we don't have any data that far back, so we'll have to just do with what we got. So let's see. Whenever we came from those areas, so around 23.20, so around these areas right here. Okay, perfect. So right here, you came from around these areas, and you rejected up here instead. You just had a big push up here, right? Same thing, you came from around these areas, even lower, and you're rejected. So our buys or our optimal sells are going to be at 25 to 26. bounced off Monday's highs too. Where was Monday's highs? Monday high was 23.13. Yeah, you broke that completely. You just sweep that liquidity completely. All right, you got another 5 closure. 5 is gonna close very, I guess, bearish. Looks like you're about to close bearish here. Looks like you're about to retest 2013. They reject off of 23.17, which was the last rejection point before 23.20. You'll have to see a 5 close bearish here. That's what you want to see. Because that's a 4-hour closure. Yeah, the 4-hour closure is next as well. Bard, you still have to remove trades taken? Oh yeah, my bad. There we go. Yo, I have too many glasses, chat. What am I gonna do with these glasses, chat? See now. Let's see now. I mean, 5 did close. Oof, 5 closed bullish. Yeah, I mean, super overextended on the 5. I mean, you're gonna eventually you're gonna see a pullback, chat. Like, price doesn't just push without pulling back. Eventually, you're gonna see a pullback. So don't worry about that. You will see a pullback eventually. It's just when the pullback is gonna happen. Well, that's the thing. You might see small pullbacks, right? But you might see small pullbacks like this. If you want to get a big, strong pullback, then you'll have to tap 29 at least, or at least 20. Right? You'll have to tap at least 20. If you want to see a strong pullback. Oh my god. Yeah, that's clear manipulation here, chat. I mean, yeah. Clear manipulation. This is what's gonna happen. Look at that 1-hour candle. I mean, that's why I said it's a clean range, right? Remember when somebody asked me why it's a clean range? It's for this reason. This is why it's a clean range, because whenever price taps into this range, whenever you came from 22.99 or 22.90s, you always fill the range up pretty clearly. It was a clean traffic. It was a slippery slope, and that's what we mean by a clean range. So whenever there's a clean range, you see there's no resistance. There was no resistance here. Price just push relentlessly. It seems like it's manipulating, but it's just, if you look at history, that's what history has done every single time in this range. So it's no surprise, really. You just have to understand how history moves price. Right? You just have to understand historical price action. And if you do that, then this won't seem to... It won't seem like a surprise that we're pushing this hard in this area. Because you're going to push this hard until around 25 to 29. Yo, what's up? What's up, Storm Player? Yo, Chad, be honest, do these glasses make me look like a fucking douche? Or do I just look hard as fuck? Do I look like top G or do I look like bottom G? Bro, thinking Tom Cruise. That's literally me. I'm literally Tom Cruise, chat. Alright, if we see a reversal pattern here, wouldn't be too bad. Middle G? I'll take it. I'll take it. Middle G, I'll take it. You know what? Sure. What's up with the Japoni ass trying to see Compton? The industry can hit your fucking mauling. What's the delay on signals? I don't know. 0, I think. On YouTube, I mean, if you're watching YouTube, it's probably delayed, but for the Zoom people, it's 0, and for the people that are VIP, it's 0. They're delay, so yeah. I had cells on my... Okay, so on my other... Okay, so on my other... On my other chart here, I had cells at 20... Oof, dude, the grid looks disgusting. Oh my god. The grid looks so disgusting. We can get a no wick player. Or we can get a compensation play. The grid, holy shit, let me remove the grid, chat. This is... What the fuck is the grid? The ones... When you get used to no grid... You can never look at a grid again. But yeah, so cells on my previous chart was at 21.8. That was my previous chart. This was my assessment. I think that we made this on Friday. So on Friday, we were planning to take cells at 21, but we didn't get them. And now we're planning to take cells at 29 after some, or 25 to 26. I think these are cells right here, down here. So yeah, let's see now. Why old English? He doesn't know how to... I know how to speak Albanian, but this is an English stream. And 90% of the people here are English speaking, so I can't be out here speaking other languages. Took buys from 2309.9 and sold at 2312.39, 24 pips. Bro, good job, man. Here's a cookie. Alright, chat. Seems like we're pushing up here. Hey, what's up, Bard? Where you been? All around, bro. and all around. No, I've been chilling, man. I've been working on the course. That's why. And I'm gonna put majority of my time in the course and in the mentorship. So that's why I don't really have that much time for the streams anymore. The streams will be back though. The streams will be back and the signals will be back. I haven't sent that many signals lately, and I also haven't sent that many. So yeah. Second bias from 2314 and Sola 2216.2. Here's another cookie, man. Enjoy. Yeah, chat. It's just a waiting game up until around 25. I don't want to set sell limits because if we set sell limits, they might not get triggered because sell limits are a little ass. I ain't gonna lie. You can tap it, but you still don't get triggered. So sell limits are... I'm gonna try to sell manually. Where's my cookie, bro? You have to catch at least 25 pips to get a cookie. We don't need cookie if I have you, my Pookie. Stop, bro. Stop it, bro. Pause. Big pause. Alright, chat. I mean, are we gonna pull back here? I hope we pull back here. I hope. I really hope we pull back here. But again, it's gonna be tough. Yeah, we'll have to wait for a New York volume to come in. The ideal scenario here is New York opens and we push up. Because if New York opens and we push up, that means that we could follow we could follow the power of 3. Or we could take sells above New York open, which is also going to coincide with our current plan, which is to take sells at 23.26. That is the plan. That is the best possible scenario for us. If we get that, we're done. Didn't break the 50-minute highs, and there's a bit of imbalance to the downside. I feel it's going to come down back to 0.08 areas. Well, I don't know. I feel like it's going to... Not 0.8, but I feel like 0.8 is too far down. I think I might retest 13. But again, so is everybody else thinking. Right. Everybody else is thinking sells right now, chat. Everybody is thinking sells, chat. Every single guy's look at the charts thinking, wow, we're so overextended. Wow, this chat, what goes up gotta come down, right? Every single trader is thinking that. So, I mean, we'll see here. I still think 26 needs to be tapped. Or 29. This area right here. We'll see. I hope it goes down though. I really hope. Didn't NY open? When is it? No, opens in 30 minutes. But if market moves from 06 area, please close your eyes and sell from 1920. You will succeed 90% of times, bro. What? Market moves from 06 area. What do you? I don't know what you mean, bro. If market moves from 06 area, what? 06 was a while ago, bro. 06 was down here. Like, what are you on about? Text James real quick. Oh yeah, I misworded it. Yeah, the stock exchange opens at in 30 minutes. But that's what brings volume, so that's what matters. Like New York Open doesn't really matter that much. Hold on, chat. This is like all the streamers a bit better looking. Not a bit, bro. Not only a bit. No, QTC is just the best looking community on earth. We're just the best trading community and the best looking community. And we do it all, man. We do it all. So where's the rejection point, Bardo? 26. 26, Jose. 26 is the rejection point. Yo, boys. Yo, the pump is looking real good, chat. I ain't gonna lie. The summer pump is looking real nice. The summer pump is looking amazing, chat. I'm telling y'all. Hey, yo, Bard is Albanian blood. Why the fuck is he not good looking? What do you mean I'm not good looking? I don't know. Chat, you're tripping, chat. You're tripping balls. I trust you more than Don, Wickstein of the Sea. Fucking go, bro. Thank you. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate your trust in me, and I hope I can make justice. I hope I can justify your trust. Not make justice. Just I hope I can justify your trust. Yeah, what the fuck is a backshot play? I'm trying to Sindre Standal. Oh, okay. Thank you, bro. Yo, chat. I really appreciate y'all. For real. But also, I'm trying to get a fucking position here, so I can gold push up or something. Why are we consolidating here? Ooh, Fire about to flip after making about a wick. Find out Bard? Nah, bro. I don't think I want to find out. I'm good. I'm good with the knowledge I have. I don't want to find anything out. I'm sitting comfortably on the knowledge I currently have. Oh my god. Looking for buys from 2320.75 on second tab. Let's see how 4 hourly closes. Yeah, we have a 4 hour closure here, chat, in 1 minute. 4 hour closure in 1 minute, chat. I think it will retrace to around 2314 and go up against short-term target will be 2328. Yeah, I see that. I can see that. So I'm at a point where I'm confident enough to take my own trades now, which I have been forcibly since you haven't been here. Lol. Nah, but I stick to the playbook. No wicks and comps. Pretty easy. Yeah, bro. Once you have a playbook and once you have tested that playbook and once you believe and trust in that playbook, then it's very easy. Why should I take it? Yo, I ain't taking none of that shit. Hold on. The 4 hour got a... Okay. Can the 4 hour come down? 13? 4 hour just closed. The 4 hour is most likely going to flip after making a pretty big bottom wick around 2313. So it's probably going to tap 2313 and then pull back after that. But yeah. Let's see, you had a fast push. So fast push, you guys know fast push equals fast flip. So you're probably going to flip pretty quickly here. We're going to pull back pretty quickly. And so the faster the price goes to a certain area, the faster it'll come back. General market knowledge. But let's see if 2313 gets tapped and you feel that imbalance that is created and you also retest. Again, if you do that, like if you come down and retest 2313 with the small of a top wick on the 4 hour, what might happen is you might flip, fill the range and fill the wick up, or you will probably do that. Pushing down hard here. Dangerous for our no top wick though. Yeah, look at the mirror this move. Might look to mirror this move here, chat. The same thing here, right? You pushed off heavy around the same areas. Closed right there. Right, this area. Next candle made a bottom wick around these areas. See the same movement, but you're tap, you're retesting now, so let's see. Look at UJ. Ugh, the grid, man. The grids, man. Oh, this is a nice play on UJ here, chat. Alright, I think the 4 is about to flip, chat. I'm lucky that we have a very small top wick. Yeah, I might see the 4 flip here pretty easy, guys. Pretty easily. You did the same thing as I told you before. You did the same exact thing. You just keep on repeating history. Retested at 23.13. Yep, for about to flip here, chat. Even the 15 about to flip. Like I told you guys, the faster price comes down, the faster it'll go up. So the 15 didn't even have time to close bearish. Right, you came down so fast that inevitably we're gonna flip very fast as well. I think it'll retrace around 23.14 and go up. Short-term target would be 23.28. Yeah. It's the same thing I said as well. Exact same assessment. It's a very simple breakout retest, right? You broke out on the 4-hour. You have a very small wick on the 4-hour to the top side, and you have a retest area at 23.13. So yeah, it was just a very simple breakout retest with no bottom wick. If this had no bottom wick at all, we would enter this, and we'd have taken buys here. But since this has a very small bottom wick, where it's not a part of the playbook, and we stay out regardless of how juicy it looks. How high do you think it will go after the flip? Around 26 and 27. Around these areas would be good for buys. Or sells, I mean. There it is. There's a 4-hour flip. Now we're gonna change this to sells. That's now our support to reject off of. So should you break this, you should fill the range down. Let's see if you can break these highs. If you can break these highs, then yeah, should be pretty simple drive up. Am I buy now? 23.13 and counting. Should I get out? Hardly ever hit TP. You said 13. Wait for this 15 closure in 3 minutes. If you manage to close above these wicks right here, then you're good to hold. If you close, meaning anywhere below here, then you should close. Cool. Now you lose a few pips here and there, right? But do you have any settlements to buy stops, please? No, not yet. I'm probably gonna. Oh my! Holy shit! Okay, that was really weird. Is that a new 5-minute open? The 1-minute candle. Holy shit, chat. Super weird price action there. Yeah, not yet. I'm probably gonna enter manually. Was the live stream delay? Yes. Live stream is a little bit delayed. 20 seconds. It should not be 20 seconds. It should not be 20 seconds. That's way too much. I don't know why it's like 20 seconds. I have it at ultra low. Stream delay on YouTube is way more than 20 seconds. Damn. Well, I don't know why that is, chat. I don't know how to fix that either. I'm not good with technicals. Output. Rate, no. Bitrate, no. I don't think it's that. CP, no. Okay. Stream. Multi-general. Source alignment. Advanced. Stream. Low latency. Okay. Replay, no. Scene collection, no. Okay, no. Advanced. I don't fucking know, chat. I don't know why it's delayed. I don't know how much it's delayed. I don't know how to fix it. Okay. If you guys want zero delay, you're welcome to join VIP, but I don't know why it's so delayed. I can't do anything about it. Holy shit. Stream latency? Yeah, I didn't find it. Holy shit, chat. What is the market doing? We got 15 more minutes for New York Open. Yeah, I mean, I feel like manipulation. I still think we're gonna go up. I still think it's gonna go up. Don't be fooled by this manipulation, chat. This motherfucker's still going up. Yeah, I don't care. It's gonna tap 28, and we're gonna get our beautiful cells from 28. Don't worry about it, chat. Don't worry about it. I mean, long from 301. Yo, why is Khan just typing fire emojis like an NPC? No, you know that you look like a fucking bot, right? Looks like an automated message. Looks like a Nightbot. You have the one 5 seconds would be the best. Yeah, I don't know how to do that, chat. I would, trust me, chat. Trust me when I say I would. But I don't know how to do it. Why not fire stream? Yeah, I know, but it's just So random. So random. Why is the music so loud? Let me stream double mentor. My guy. My guy. Well, stuff I just got hit with that manipulation. Well, not mine. Yeah, we're just consolidating here. I think we need to break out. What time frame using now? 15 minutes now. And now 30 minutes. Now 4 hour. Now 5 minutes. Now we are using the 1 hour. I use all the time frames, bro. From the stream dashboard, click stream settings under stream latency. On YouTube? Is this blog talking about YouTube? Okay, so we are analytics. Stream settings. Stream settings. Oh shit, my bad, chat. I have normal. Why did it change to normal latency, bro? And how do I change it back? I can't change it, chat. Doesn't let me. Does not let me change it, chat. Look, I'm on live stream right now. Does not let me change it. I think I'll have to do it. I don't know. I think I have to do it off stream. No compensation play. This has a very small bottom wick. Damn, chat. We got 30-minute closure here very soon. Let's see if we can get a closure below and the top wick, and we can enter some sells down. Bard, are you doing more money with trading or Signals VIP group? I'm doing more money with trading. You need to do it on the fresh stream. I think you go for ultra fast latency. Yeah, I think that's the case. I think I have to do it fresh off stream. Let's see now. We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes for a closure on the 30 and the 15. I think they're only two, right? No, only the 30 and 15. Goes below this. This could be amazing. You gotta pop up and show us. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the score with him. What's the plan on doing? Catch pips from the streams and with profit buy the VIP and playbook. That's a good idea. What do you choose? What do you choose trading from the all other opportunities to make money online? I think I have a video on that on my YouTube actually. Why I chose trading, but simply because there was no startup cost. No startup cost. When I started trading, I was dead broke, so no startup cost. Meaning you could just learn the skill without having to spend a lot of money. You don't need no startup cost. Second, you can do it by yourself. You don't need to handle relationships. You don't need to sell to anybody. You don't need to nurture any relationships. You don't need to upkeep any partnerships, right? Because if you do, for example, drop shipping or whatnot, you have to have manufacturers. You have to be, you have to be able to sell, market, and all that stuff. So now, obviously, I still do that because now I've kind of I do social media as well. But when I first started choosing when I first decided to choose trading, that went into my mind that I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to follow anybody's lead, right? It was me against the market. It was only me against the market, and I didn't have to deal with people, right? With relationships. So that was one thing. Also, the freedom of time and freedom of location. So freedom of time is that you can trade whenever you want because there are major sessions. There are 3 major sessions. There's Asia, New York, and London. You can trade whichever one of those you want. So you can basically trade wherever you are, whenever you are, or whenever you want, wherever you are. Also, like I said, location freedom. You just need a computer. And you just need Wi-Fi, and you can make money from wherever you are. So you have that freedom, which allows you to travel the world while making money, which is actually insane if you think about it. So yeah, there's just so many perks. It's just so many perks, chat. Like trading is unlimited. Like it's so many advantages of being a trader. Like you can make money. Like it's so funny. Like I might go out to eat for dinner or something. Right? I go out to eat for dinner. I see a position, I take it, and I just paid for my whole night. Right? Like I used to do that back in the day. I used to go out and eat, and then after I've eaten with my friends, I used to pay for everybody, and then I used to just take a trade afterwards and be like, "Oh, look, made the money back." Right? It's also very direct. It's also constant. So you get like with other jobs, you do the work first and then you get paid after. But with trading, it's very direct. There's a lot of advantages of being a trader, but it's hella hard to become a good one. It takes a lot of time and discipline and patience. Yeah, of course. I mean, do you think you're gonna get the advantages like that lifestyle without it being hard? No, it's not giving out for free, chat. Again, trading is the best way. In my head, trading was the best way to become rich. But it's definitely not the easiest. Far from it. Far from it. But yeah, I mean, of course it's proportional, right? It's all proportional. So the harder it is, the greater the reward, right? Damn, we still close respecting, huh? The only downside for me is that we're all jobless on the weekends. Well, if you work a normal job, you're also jobless on the weekends. Ooh, interesting. Close respecting with no top wick. You could get a wick like, oh, never mind. Yeah, if you were to come down and break this bottom wick with no wick on this one, we would take these spice right here. Yeah, unfortunately we didn't get those. And that's New York Open as well. New York opened at 23.13. Okay, interesting. Believe it or not, I learned in a year. Not saying I have it all down, but I'm profitable. But I blew a bunch of small accounts and never used demo. Demo sucks. Being here really gave my game a big jump. Yeah, I'm super happy to hear that. But yeah, chat. I mean, all this you need 2 years to become pro. You need at least 3 years. Like, that's bullshit. That's complete bullshit, chat. That's complete bullshit. Like, guys, you gotta understand something, chat. You gotta understand something. And what you gotta understand is that most or 90% of traders want to make their job and make their story and journey to profitability seem more glamorous than it is. They always want to make it seem more dramatic than it is, all right? That's why they say to you, oh, but are you ready? It takes like 2 years, 3 years. You have to go through. They say that to make their story seem cooler or more dramatic. They say that to validate themselves. That's not the case. You don't need 2 years, 3 years, right? If you have the right mentor, if you have the right game plan, if you have a playbook early on, and you just stick to it, you don't need. You can do it in 1 year, easy. You can do it in 1 year, easy. It just depends on you, but it's definitely possible. Definitely possible. So don't listen to these guys that say it takes at least 2 years, because if in your mind it's going to take 2 years, then it will take 2 years. If you have programmed your mind into thinking that it's going to take 2 years to become profitable, then guess what? It will take 2 years. It's going to take however long you have programmed your mind into thinking. So for all these gurus that tell you, oh, it's going to take at least 2 years or 3 years, they're just validating themselves. They just want their story to seem more dramatic. They just want their achievements to seem more glamorous than they are. Oh, I went through this. I went through this to take this to get. It doesn't have to be. Now, it was like that for me, but it doesn't have to be like that. I know people that were profitable after 6 months. Some of my friends are profitable now, and they started trading like 6 months ago. All right, so that's complete bullshit. Don't listen to it. Don't listen to that. It all depends on you and how you program your mind. But again, I'm telling you, if you think it's gonna take 2 years, then it will take 2 years. If you program your mind that it will take 6 months, it will take much shorter than 2 years. Decrease your time span. So yeah, I mean, it all depends. Also, it all depends on what kind of person you start as. If you're a disciplined person, if you're a disciplined, hardworking person before you started trading, you will be disciplined and hardworking on the charts. So it will be much easier for you because you already developed that character that is profitable. You've already developed the character that's needed to be a profitable trader. But if you're lazy, your room is complete mess. You wake up at, I don't know, 2 p.m. You don't like, if you're just a lazy person in general, if you have an undisciplined life before you start trading, guess what? When you start trading, you will have to have a complete identity shift. You'll have to change everything about you. You'll have a character shift when you start trading. You'll have a character shift, and that's gonna take much longer than if you already were a disciplined person before you hopped on the charts. Because the charts is not about just mastering the charts; it's about mastering yourself. If you already mastered yourself before you hop into the charts, guess what? You're just gonna need one thing, and that's gonna be the technicals. Because you have the discipline, you have the hard work, you have the grit, you have the relentlessness. So all you need is just the technicals. But hey, guess what? If you're a lazy person before, and if you're an undisciplined person before you hop onto the charts, that's gonna have to change too. It's gonna take even longer because then you might get the technicals down, but your psychology is lacking behind. It also depends on what kind of person you are when you jump onto the charts, when you start trading. But again, it doesn't necessarily have to take 2 years, 3 years. You can do it in 6 months if you just put your mind to it. I promise. How old were you when you started? I was 16, turning 17. Yeah, I had a complete identity shift. I had to completely change. When I was young, I was known as a lazy guy, playing video games all day. Like I was never a high achiever, chat. I was an under average achiever in everything that I did. When I was younger, I was not the best football player. I was not my grades in school were ass. I was not the strongest. I was not the tallest. I was always an underachiever when I was younger. Always, always, always. So I had to make a complete identity shift when I started trading. Complete. Let's see now, chat. Let me see where we can grab some buys. It's the same like the gym. People think they need to train like 5 years to get the body they want in 1 year. Bless you, I guess. What were you saying? You were saying people think they need to train like 5 years to get the body they want. In 1 year, if you're really putting their heart in, you can change so much. Yeah, for sure. Hey, I have a question. Shoot, man. How often do you use fib retracement? Never. I never use fib retracements. You know, chat should retrace around 2307. Historically, that's what it has done. Whenever you came from around 2020 or 2320 areas. Also, that's below the New York Open. Yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong with them? Nothing. That's just not the way I trade. It's just not a part of my strategy. I've never really been drawn to them. I don't know. Nothing wrong with them. It's just I don't use it. I built an account that went from $147 to 1,000 in like 10 days. So I was profitable in 3 months, and then blown it like 2 days. And now when I apply the strategy again, it just goes in loss. What's that is wrong with me? Okay, if you built an account from $147 to 1,000 in 10 days, first of all, you're over risking a shit ton. So that's the first problem. Second problem is, if you blew it in 2 days, your stop loss is way too wide. Or not wide, you're just over leveraging a lot. And you're afraid to cut losses. When you apply that strategy again, it just goes into loss. Okay, so let me ask you this. If I ask you to write that strategy down, meaning if I ask you to take a piece of paper and draw me the candles from candle to candle, what that strategy looks like, that plays, will you be able to do it? Will you be able to draw the place that you were talking about on a piece of paper? Or do you just have this? Because everybody has a strategy in their mind. They say, oh, I have this strategy, but it's just in their mind. They don't have it written down in ink. It's not tangible, right? It doesn't exist somewhere. It's just in their mind. And then their strategy is very based off of emotions, regardless of if they think about it or not. But yeah, can you write your strategy down on a piece of paper? Can you draw it? If you can, then you have a strategy. But if you can't, then I'm afraid to tell you, you're probably just trading based off of emotions and feelings. And you're also over risking a shit ton. So that's the first problem. You're over risking. And also, second problem, just the way you phrase that question seems to me that you're just talking about money, and that money is your main focus, which is also an issue. You didn't say I grew my account by this percentage and then I lost this amount of percent, but you said I grew by this amount of money and then I lost this amount of money. So you immediately attached it to money, which is also another problem. So yeah. Why did you once mention that ICT is bullshit? I think ICT is not bullshit. I think ICT's way of teaching is bullshit. I think his terminology is bullshit, because all he really does is he uses simple concepts that anybody can learn, simple price action concepts, and he just uses hard and complicated words to make it seem smarter than it is. That's why. So I think his terminology and his way of teaching is bullshit, and the ways yeah. Playbook dropping super soon. Yeah, the playbook is literally dropping in 3 days, chat. It is gonna be fucking OD. What patterns do you mostly look for? I look for my own patterns. So I look for the no-wick play, the compensation play, the limit play, the flip play, the before concepts. I look for my own concepts. It's hard to really explain everything right now. Everything will be in my playbook, but yeah. How if he has the most amount of students, even more than any other prop firm, that became profitable. Just because something has a lot of followers doesn't mean it's necessarily the right thing or necessarily true. And like I said, I'm not saying ICT's strategy is bullshit. I'm saying the way he teaches it and the terminology is bullshit. So I'm still saying ICT can work. You guys gotta understand something. If you then take 10 successful traders, and ask them each, what strategy do you trade? All 10 of them will trade different strategies. But guess what? All of them are successful and all of them are profitable. Which means what? The strategy is not the common denominator for if you're a successful trader or not. It's up here. So stop trying to look for this perfect strategy. Stop trying to look for ICT. Like, stop. Just stop. Choose one strategy and then work on this. Because unless you have the character of somebody that's profitable, you will never be profitable regardless of how good the strategy is. Right? So don't focus so much on the strategy. And like I said, any strategy can be profitable, but you have to work up here. Until you become a person that's profitable, until you become a character, you build habits that are profitable, you will never be profitable regardless of how good your strategy is. I promise. So stop trying to look for profitable strategies here and there. Just choose a strategy and work on yourself. Work on your mentality. Hear yourself. He must be good at teaching if he has the most profit. You're not getting my point, brother. You're not getting my point. I'm not saying his strategy doesn't work. I'm not saying his teaching doesn't work. I'm just saying the way he uses his terminology and the way he's structured it, I think it's a lot of bullshit. I think it's real stuff, but he masks it. Right? I think it's things that work, things that everybody uses, normal market concepts, but it's just masked. It's behind a smoke screen. It's like, have you seen those funny videos when the guys like glorify their job? $15 on topic, yeah, but it's a 50. We don't take 15 on topics. But have you seen those videos when people glorify their jobs? They're like, "Oh, what do you work as?" And they're like, "Oh, I'm an underwater ceramic engineer," or something like that. And he just washes the dishes. That's ICT. It works. It works. They make money. But they use false and complicated terms to make it seem smarter than it is. So, yeah. Hey, Bard, just got it. What are you looking for at the moment? So I'm still looking for sells at around 26, or I'm looking for buys at 23.07, or sells below if you close below 23.12 on the 30-minute. How much will be the playbook? So the playbook, okay, so I can reveal the prices. So the playbook plus the online coaching, which I will host weekly online coaching, group coachings for everyone, will be $697. And then I will have a personal mentorship program where I will have only 10 spots open. And that will be $1,800. But that will be the playbook plus a mentorship. So I will basically take you through the playbook step by step and make sure that you're profitable. Like I won't let you leave if you're not profitable. I won't let you stop. I'll be in your ear like, okay, have you done this? Have you done this? No one gives a fuck about ICT. If you're here for ICT, you're in the wrong room. Facts. Some ICT want to be in here looking for another strategy and then still backing ICT even though he's... Welcome, brother. Welcome. Nah, you weird as fuck. 50-minute no talk wick, yes, but we don't take the 50-minute no talk wick. They're not high enough. The confluence is not strong enough. I'm an SMC trader, but I need to learn the no wicks. Every trader needs to learn no wicks. Sometimes you gotta pop up and show certified boogeyman I'm the one that up the scope with him. No, it plays Hall of Fame material. Facts. How'd you learn trading? I watched other traders trade, and I just looked at the charts for multiple hours a day, tried to find things that happen over and over again. Yep, pretty much it. Very simple. Simple, really. Simple, really. Alright, this should push up now, technically. This should push up after making this bottom wick and after breaking the lows. After making a wick lick play. Made a wick lick player chat, meaning you close respecting after making a wick below the range, and after that you broke the previous wick and then you came back up. After making this wick click, you should be able to come up pretty heavy here. Also, after just filling this complete imbalance all the way down to these wicks right here. All US pairs are dropping and we're in a decision area. You don't use DXY anymore as a confluence? No, not necessarily, no. Because gold and DXY chat, you gotta understand. DXY and gold, literally, sometimes they don't even have a connection. Like, if you trade, you could look at DXY if you're trading AUD, USD, or UJ, or GJ. But, or not GJ, but UJ. If you're trading gold chat, looking at DXY is not really that helpful because they tend to disconnect sometimes. But not sometimes. Lately it's been way too much. Yeah. Or do you think gold will reach 2282 before the next moment? Gold 2282 before the next momentum move up, or do you think it'll stop at 23? I think gold will reach 2330 and 2329 before it reaches 2282. I still think gold will do this and reject off of this area. I'm still looking for buys mostly. You're still, if you look at the 4 hour, you're still in an uptrend. If you uptrend on the 4 hour, the 4 hour just made a bottom wick. We'll have to see here the 30 minute. 30 minute hopefully can close above 23.13 and make a bottom wick, and then that's going to be our entry. But again, we're just looking, guys, for buys. That's all we're looking for at the moment. Yo, Chad, I need a coffee, man. I need a coffee, man. Alright, 2 minutes here for the 30 closure and the 1 hour closure. Can I ask your opinion on the trade, please? Yes, of course. Of course. Of course, Brad. Yo, Chad, be honest. I haven't used these in a while. Might be time soon. Would you have taken the play on USD JPY? No. I would not have taken that. Reason being, you're still in an uptrend on the higher time frames, and you're also tapping into very hard support right here. So yeah, I would probably not have taken that, or I didn't take that for that reason. It just didn't. I don't know. It just didn't look good for some reason. You also had kind of an imbalance above, and you had pushed down so much already. And also looking at the 4 hour, the 4 hour looks good to drive back up. You're still in an uptrend. Yeah, just if taking the higher time frames into consideration. If you take the higher time frames into consideration, then you'll see why. One Fanta Light, please, bro. Put on the Mr. Doubtfire glasses, which I lost them. I don't have them anymore. I lost those glasses. All right, let's see if we can get a bottom wick here, chat, and we can enter buy. Come on, come on, come on. Bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick. Holy shit. Okay, we might enter buy here, chat. Come on, push down. Push down, push down, push down. Never mind. Yeah, we got a bottom wick, but it was only 8 pips, and it was way too fast. Like, I'd want the bottom wick to 13 and would enter buys here. Yeah, this was way too fast, chat. Almost. Very close to getting a position. I know you guys were clenching your ass cheeks right there. Push like 23 pips. Yeah, no FOMO on our chat. No FOMO. Even though we almost got a position, but we didn't quite get it. No FOMO here. This is gonna push up, obviously. Just look at that retest. I mean, it's such a clear price action. That's why we're gonna take sells at 26 now. How much would it have to wick for you to take it to 13? So if we were to wick down to 13, I'll take it. Meaning like at least a 10 pip top bottom wick. We only got an 8, but I'd want at least like down to 13, 13.4. Then I would take that. But yeah. Bard, do you know the ICT strategy? No. I've not studied the ICT strategy. I've just watched like a few videos of his. And I've noticed that he tries to sound smarter than he is while explaining simple things. And I was like, these are things that everybody knows, right? I was watching his videos and I was like, these are like simple market concepts that he's explaining. But why is he using words like fucking distribution and I don't know, different terms like turtle soup and stuff like that? I was like, you try to automate your trading bot. It is in the works. Yeah, let's see now. One hour does have a fairly small proportionally bottom wick, and you'll likely break that low first and flip to drive down. But I still think you're coming up around to this area again. I strongly believe that we're coming up to tap at least 26, and when we do that, we're gonna get our position. But yeah, just a waiting game, chat. Oh. This is an example of a compensation play I would take. Why? Because you closed below most recent, and you had a range to fill down. So this was where you would reject. You had a range to fill down, and you had a wick to fill down. You had a wick to fill down. Right, so that's why I would take this play. Let's see now, chat. What? Nah, fuck him up. What? I'ma do my stuff. Why you twirling like a bitch and you tired? You know. Bard, are you gonna stay with us until you get a position? Fuck no. I'm joking. We'll see. I'll stay here till around. I'll say for maybe like another hour. And yeah, if we get a position within that, I'll stay till the next hourly closure. If we get a position after the next hourly closure or during that time, I'll get a position with y'all. But I can't stay longer because then I'll have to go. It's up to you streaming for 2+ hours. Yeah, we'll make it 3 and then I'll get the fuck out of here. Check BTC. You know what, bro? I really don't feel like checking BTC, man. I'll do it, bro, for your sake. I really don't want to check BTC right now. Where's it? There it is. I mean, looks good to drive up, right? It's tapping pretty heavy support here. Pretty heavy area of rejection. Looks good to drive up and retest. Maybe grab this compensation here and come down afterwards. So yeah, that's pretty much what I would say. Nothing more, nothing less. Buys above 23.20 and sells below 23.10 or 23. Market is ranging now. Trade in this area doomed to fail. I agree. I agree. What do you think it's better, tier 1 or tier 2? Because for now I don't have the funds for the playbook. I'd say tier 2 is better, bro. Because you will get access to the Zoom calls with SA. Which is where, for example, I think that's where we catch the most amount of pips. It's SA Zoom calls. So yeah, that's what I would say. Tier 2 just because of the Zoom calls. How much is the playbook? The playbook, so it's going to be 2 tiers. It's going to be coaching. Playbook with coaching calls. That's going to be for around $680. And the mentorship program is going to be 1.8K. So it's going to be the playbook plus the mentorship. What the fuck is this? Hey, what's good, Don? DVS is here. Damn, chat. Hey, welcome, DVS boys. How we doing? How we doing? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Please don't spam. No, let them spam. Let them spam. No worries. Don, we love you so much. Okay, relax, Jack. Hold on now. Hold on now. Why did my chat start glazing? What's going on? That's crazy. Alright, Chad, you know what I'm doing here? Alright, Chad, you know what I'm doing here? Nah, kidding. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking get it, boys. That's crazy. Yeah, I appreciate you, Don. Hey, from QTC, DVS, all love, alright? It's all love. That. Yo, what a way to revive the stream. No volume. We're stuck in this fucking weird ass range. And now we got raided. Yeah, market is dead as fuck. Yo, I swear to God, this was the best thing that could happen today because market is dead as fuck. I'm sitting here like this. I'm like, hey man, I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Random ass time for that. Best time for that to happen. I can't be bothered looking at this chart, man. Okay, WDVS, WQTC in the chat. Come on. Imagine just enter a trade now, fuck up everything. I just enter a trade, hit fucking stop loss immediately. She's wild. She's wild, chat. All right, chat. I mean, yeah, we're very close to get a position. Very close to getting a position twice. But the sells at 28 are still very valid. Sells at 28 are still very valid. Otherwise, buys at 2307.283 for the wick leg play are also very valid. But again, we're stuck in this weird ass range at the moment. We need to break out. I'm not touching anything until we break out. So yeah, you guys know it. Follow the playbook. Whatever the playbook says, we do. Nothing else. Yeah. Otherwise, for other pairs, not really much happening. Very slow, very low volume, bro. If you guys think gold has low volume, try taking a trade right now on other pairs. I'm telling you guys, you'll get gray hair until you actually hit TP or stop loss. Damn, who's this young handsome guy? I don't know. Shit. Let's see now, chat. Again, I'm gonna stay here for another like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna need to hop off. I got some shit to do, but yeah, I highly doubt we'll get a position until then. If we do, thank the Lord. But if we don't, that's just the market. We'll come back tomorrow and do the same fucking shit thing. Show me your hairline. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, right, chat? Not chat for Elizabeth. Four fingers, forehead, right? 4 fingers. I don't think it's that bad, man. Come on. Don't be weird, chat, honestly, man. You guys know I'm insecure about the hairline. But the Vegeta hairline. Trading is not helping. I'll be honest, chat, trading is not helping. With the hairline. It's only making it worse. Swear to God. It's awful, for fuck's sake. In 2 months, see you in Turkey. Nah, bro. It's gonna take way less than 2 months, bro. I'll be in Turkey next week. I don't, bro, chat. Honestly, I think I might call it a day here. I think I might call it a day, chat. Honestly, fucking. What can you do? There's no volume, very slow. It's very far away from our levels. Again, if we close below and you get a no play, I'll take it. If you get a compensation play, I'll take it. If we get any of the plays from my playbook, well, I'll take it. But it doesn't. We're not close to getting it right now. So I think I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna record a video for Instagram and do some other shit. But thank y'all for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. And yeah. Fortunately, we didn't get a position today, but that's just how the market is. And we'll get one tomorrow and the day after that. So yeah. Appreciate y'all, and I'll see you guys. I might see you guys tomorrow. We'll see. You guys know how I am. Well, I might see you tomorrow. I might see you on Wednesday. I might see you on Thursday. I don't know. But I guess I'll see you. I'll see you whenever I see you. All right, chat. Take care. Peace out.